Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to get a Walmart money card. Open the website walmart.com, then click on Account. Then, a drop-down list will appear. On the drop-down list, you will see an option that says Sign in or Create Account. Click on Sign in or Create Account. Now enter your email address. After entering, click on Sign in. Then, enter your password. Once entered, click Sign in. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper left side of the screen. Click on the option that says Services. A drop-down list will appear. Click on the option that says Financial Services. Then you will see several options. Click on Walmart Money Card. Next, click on Learn More. Now, enter all the required information, such as the FIS name, last name, address, apartment or unit number, and zip code. Also, enter your mobile number, email, social security number and date of birth. After entering all the required information, click on the tick boxes to agree to the information above and to the electronic communications agreement, also consent to receive automated marketing calls or text messages. Then click on the checkbox beside I'm not a robot. Lastly, click on Continue. That's how you get a Walmart money card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also, check out our Amazon shop link in the description below for amazing shopping ideas.